Hello fellow scratchers, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can simply move a sprite. So let's first start by creating the project. Alright, let's begin. So let's first name our sprite player. Let's go to costumes, let's delete second scratchy, and let's just create our own character. It shouldn't be that hard, but for me, I'm not going to try to waste some time. I'm just going to make this video pretty simple. So I'm just going to make a box. Don't copy me though. Oops. Don't copy me. I would recommend doing your own thing. I'm gonna put a different background since my character has the color full white, so I'm just gonna make it a greenish, I guess. Alright, let's start. Let's do this. Okay. Let's grab a one flag clicked in the events tab. Let's go to control and grab a forever loop and 4 ifs. Alright, so now let's start off. Go to motion and grab a change X by and another change X by. And instead of a change X, change Y and a change Y. Let's change the second if to change X by -10 and change the last if for -10. Now, let's add key left. I mean, not right, my bad. Right arrow. So now we can move right. Okay, let's do the same for the other ones. So let's do left, up, and finally down. So now we got a basic moving script. Now we're not done here because there's still a easier and simpler way to do this. So let's first delete all these ifs and only grab change X and then change Y. Let's grab a minus operator and a multiply operator. Multiply this by 5. Oh, sorry. The multiply block is supposed to go in here. And then we put this in here. Okay. So grab a key, I'm pretty sure right. Let's try that out. Yep. Okay. And then just the opposite. Key left. And then same right here, except just Y, so I'm positive this will be up, and then the other one will be down. So now I think we should be good here. There we go. We just made 2 simple ways that we could move our sprites. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.